Good morning! It's our second day on board and we actually arrived to Grand Turk. What a stunning view! Wow! Absolutely stunning! It's like a heaven! Wow!
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
So we definitely go out and explore this small island. We have approximately 7 or 8 hours here. We already did a morning meditation, which was fine, and I ran few miles, as you can see. So I'm going to take a shower and go out explore. It's really early morning, but it's stunning, guys. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We are already outside and it's absolutely stunning here. Beautiful. It's super easy to go out of the ship here. It's not complicated at all. It's really easy. But remember to take your ID with you all the time on all the ports. If you go out of the cruise ship, you need to have your ID with you. This is actually a ship, how it looks from outside. It's massive. It can accommodate up to 2,770 passengers plus over 1,000 crew members. It has 16 decks. Here is the map, what you can see in the island. Guys, it's really small but it's beautiful. Of course, they have a Starbucks here. You can buy some stuff, some souvenirs. They do have a duty free if you want to buy some cheaper alcohol or cigarettes. Lots of different shops. You can rent sunbeds if you want. And lots of stuff to do there, or also do some excursions. We are going to explore a little bit and then we will decide what we want to do. If you want, you can also use a pool here. They also have flow ride, but it's closed for now. Stunning, absolutely stunning. I can move here and leave this Beautiful island life. Check the water. Wow. I'm going to walk a little bit. We are walking around the island. You can actually, here is coming, you can rent a buggy and drive around island. They actually drive in here like in the UK on the left side because it's UK overseas territory. We are going to check our airport which is nearby. We would like to see one plane. Here is the airport. And here you can see space capsule. We are going a little bit further to walk a little more. Okay, we actually did not manage to see the plane landing, but we found this beautiful beach. Nobody is here, completely private. Stunning, love it. The water is absolutely amazing. Wow, this is paradise. Unbelievable, unbelievable, really. Hungry person can recommend this place. If you go for a cruise, try to find a cruise with Grand Turk stop. You will definitely not regret. We keep walking and walking, and it's getting beautiful and more beautiful. It's stunning. Absolutely paradise. We were actually waiting for second plane and it's coming. Hopefully you can see it. Wow. Nice. Amazing. We are actually both of us. It's really glad we wait a little bit longer and find even more nicer beaches. If you actually fancy snorkeling or diving, they do snorkeling and diving tours here. You can actually book it either with Virgin or here in Island or your own private tour. We skip it for now. Actually, no, we are not going to do it here. We were thinking to do some snorkeling and Bahamas. Bimini is actually, which is part of Bahamas. But this is amazing as well. Maybe next time. Donkeys! Hello. Oh. Stay there. Stay there. This giant whales is here. You can come and check it. But I think the sea is much nicer in the other side over there. This is kinda rocky. You can still go and have a swim, but you must be careful. I think this part is more for jet ski and some water sports, and it's not for swimming. We are eating in Wake tonight. I'm not sure what I'm going to have because everything looks delicious. After the dinner in the Wake, it was kind of steak restaurant, I would say, and really delicious, like posh end, I would say as well. Everything was nice. I had the salmon, Rad got steak, and his steak was again really good. He preferred that better than yesterday in Mexico restaurant. My salmon was fine as well. I would prefer that little bit less cooked, but anyway it was delicious. Actually we realized the restaurant is open from 8 o'clock in the morning till 1 o'clock in the morning as well. So they do like whole day brunches, breakfast, etc. But they're always busy, so if you want to come, you can do it like around 8 o'clock, and you don't need reservation. After that, you probably need a reservation. We booked it for a breakfast on our last day, actually, when we arrived to Miami, which is fine. And I'm looking forward to that as well. It's red night tonight. We are going to continue our journey and explore some shows and do some stuff. Hopefully, finger crossed, I'm going to stay awake longer because last night I was done after like 10 o'clock. We finished a dinner and I went to the bed straight away. I love cruising, I really love cruising, but there is lots of activities around, and I don't know if it's just me or everybody else. I'm so tired, like, yeah, and we love to watch sunrise here and cruise as well, so every day I wake up so early, but it's fine. Yeah, hopefully, finger crossed, at least till midnight tonight. I will see if I record some other stuff. If not, then see you tomorrow at sea day tomorrow.